Finding it difficult to make friends or find love? Ever wondered why it feels like some people don't connect with you, even when you're trying to be nice? If so, here's a comforting thought: you're not alone in feeling this way. Forming connections can sometimes feel like solving a puzzle. It takes time and patience. Everyone has moments of uncertainty or finds it challenging to make friends. It's a natural part of life. Just because you struggle sometimes doesn't mean there's anything wrong with you. Many people have faced similar struggles and eventually found great friendships. Let's explore some common mistakes and how to address them. Not recognizing emotional impact. Do you find yourself often bringing negativity into conversations? Venting about personal issues or complaining frequently can affect how others perceive you. Being mindful of the emotional tone you set and understanding how it impacts others is key. It's not about forcing constant positivity but acknowledging and managing negative feelings constructively. The spotlight effect. Feeling self-conscious is normal, but excessive worry about others' perceptions can backfire. Constantly seeking attention may inadvertently make others see you as self-centered. Instead, focus on showing genuine interest in others. Ask about their day and listen actively. Building connections means valuing others as much as yourself. Avoiding vulnerability. Difficulty expressing vulnerability can hinder deeper connections. When someone shares something personal, respond with empathy and support rather than deflecting with humor or dismissal. Showing understanding builds trust and strengthens bonds. Unconscious microaggressions. Microaggressions, unintentional remarks or actions that marginalize others, can harm relationships. Being aware of biases and their impact is crucial. Apologize and learn from mistakes if you unintentionally hurt someone. It's about fostering respect and inclusivity in all interactions. Assuming mind reading. Expecting others to understand your thoughts without communication leads to misunderstandings and conflict. Express yourself openly and respectfully to avoid confusion and build clearer, healthier relationships. Balancing give and take. Striking a balance between receiving and giving in relationships is essential. Acknowledge and reciprocate acts of kindness, whether through gratitude, support, or simply being there for others. It shows appreciation and strengthens connections. Expecting returns on kindness. Giving without expecting something in return cultivates genuine connections. Avoid manipulative behaviors rooted in scarcity mindset. Trusting in abundance allows for more authentic relationships. Ignoring boundaries. Respect for boundaries is crucial in any relationship. Pushing someone's limits or not respecting their space can strain connections. Pay attention to verbal and nonverbal cues that indicate comfort levels and adjust your behavior accordingly. Building trust means honoring each other's boundaries. Lack of authenticity. Trying to be someone you're not to fit in or impress others rarely leads to genuine connections. Authenticity builds trust and allows people to connect with the real you. Embrace your quirks and values. Those who appreciate you for who you are will form lasting bonds. Overlooking communication. Effective communication is fundamental to healthy relationships. Misunderstandings often arise from assumptions or unclear messages. Practice active listening, express yourself clearly, and encourage open dialogue. Clear communication fosters mutual understanding and strengthens connections. Neglecting empathy, understanding and sharing others' feelings, is essential for meaningful relationships. Showing compassion and consideration for others' emotions creates a supportive environment where trust and connection thrive. Practice empathy by actively listening, validating feelings, and offering support when needed. Fear of rejection. Fear of rejection can prevent you from initiating or deepening relationships. Remember, rejection is a natural part of life and doesn't define your worth. Take healthy risks by putting yourself out there, knowing that genuine connections require vulnerability and courage. Not investing time building meaningful connections takes time and effort. Neglecting to invest time in nurturing relationships can lead to distance or misunderstandings. Prioritize quality time with loved ones, actively participate in shared activities, and show interest in their lives. Consistent effort strengthens bonds and fosters closeness. Being judgmental, making snap judgments or being overly critical of others can hinder connection. Approach interactions with an open mind, suspending judgment, and seeking to understand different perspectives. Respectful acceptance cultivates a positive atmosphere where people feel valued and accepted. Neglecting self-care. Neglecting your own well-being can impact your ability to connect with others. Prioritize self-care, physically, mentally, and emotionally. When you're balanced and fulfilled, you bring positivity and authenticity to your relationships, enhancing mutual understanding and connection. Remember, building strong connections is a journey that requires self-awareness, empathy, and continuous effort. Reflect on these insights, apply them in your interactions, and embrace the richness of meaningful relationships. Share your thoughts and experiences. We're here to learn and grow together. Let's create a community where everyone feels heard, valued, and connected. Making mistakes is part of learning and growing. The key to fostering better connections lies in making others feel heard, valued, and respected. Your experiences and insights are valuable. Share them in the comments below. If you're interested in similar topics, check out our video on flirting mistakes that could keep you single. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community where everyone feels appreciated. Thanks for watching.